us. Welcome to live trade, or I wouldn't say live trade, but market review and what we can anticipate from this. And how I will tell you how I'm viewing the market and what I'm anticipating, and maybe some trades I will take. So we have this liquidity raid. This was a previous daily high, not yesterday but the day before, and yesterday was Tuesday, so we are probably looking at a bearish weekly profile, right? We're making the high of the week during Tuesday or Wednesday, right? And now we're seeing this break of structure, and we have been ranging, and now we're coming down to this gray area, which is our weekly inverse fair value gap. So this is our H4 BC, right? And if we want to refine it, we have our H1. This is not a BC, this is now a CB, sorry. H4 CB, and if you want to refine it, you can also have a H1 CB there or up there. So we have our range now from so we now have a discount here below equilibrium and premium. And if we are bearish, and why I'm saying we are bearish is because price, honestly, price can do whatever, but we need to be, during my weekly analysis, I had these two targets as internal liquidity prior to and this makes it even more clear. So we have made a market structure shift, and now we made another market structure shift below here. So here, and then we formed our weekly inverse fair value gap, right? We broke through, and now we try to use it as a support, but we failed to make a higher high, and now we're broken below this low once again and left what traces. And now we need to find some POI, PDO raise, whatever you want to call it, in a premium. If you want it to be a high high probability, right? So I would wait for price to get to this area, this H4 CB, and if we are thinking support and resistance, we do have these if I change color, but I'm not trading like that. So I would want to see some kind of lower time frame market structure shift or something that correlates with my bias on this pair, because it has been just doing not a lot, honestly. So now once we've seen this liquidity raid, a break of structure or market structure shift or whatever you want to call it, I'm waiting for price to get to a premium before we are continuing down, because we do have some sell side liquidity. I'm not saying that price is ready to melt all the way. Yeah, you can see how these two levels are correlating, which is a level which we may see price respect. But now I want to see price get up, and down we continue to okay. So this low was the low that made a higher high, and since then, so all of this could be seen as internal too, if we would get some bullishness. But I'm looking for a this is one move that I'm looking for, this, and then continuing down, right? If we go into GU, which is looking a little bit more clear, so I would my plan was to take a long from this blue area, but what I wanted to see was price to we'll see, because we have this daily CB, so it's not there's nothing here that says have we taken out liquidity. Answer is no. But we do have some highs here. We have London high and New York high. And often when London have a bias, if London is, for example, bearish, New York will continue that. So it's a high chance that we may just see that GU is melting from here. So if I were to take any trade, it would be GU short, honestly. From this level, it's a good level to take shorts from, honestly, yeah. Why I did take short was because I just entered a short position on and stop loss is above that high. I don't think price is ready to get up to so yeah, I'm currently in a GU short. We have this daily SIBI or daily inverse fair value gap. That one price to respect. And stop loss is about that high, right? I wanted to take a long from here, but I didn't because I want to see how price was respecting this imbalance. And we have respected it for now. But if price were to violate this high, then I would take another short. I would look to take short from this area. Remember, we have this. Why is it always so slow? We do have this daily busy. That's for now not being respected, but let's see how we are respecting it on lower time frames. Let's go down to H1. So I think this order block is an order block that many are looking at. I think it's too obvious. I think if price were to take out these lows, I think that's when price maybe will return to the H4 SIBI. So Yeah, once again, to make it even more clear, London has been pushing down, so New York should also be pushing down. And I did not enter that high. I entered at 440. So, yeah. Let's see how price get into stuff. For now, it's a good reaction. We're respecting it, so that's a good sign. So yeah, I'm into. If you haven't heard, I'm into a GU short from this area. I did I did say my bias before. Can we see a push down? Can we see a push down? Let's see if we can violate this and just attack it aggressively. That's what I'm looking at. Can we attack these lows aggressively? So this was internal, took out external lower time frame, which is internal higher time frame. I need to see price aggressively push down below. If we are just playing around in this orange area, that's not a good sign. So that's what you need. You need price to violate aggressively. We need to attack. For price to be closing above this area, it's not a good sign. This fair value gap. But I need to trust higher time frame. We have this inverse daily fair value gap. So I need to trust it. Just checking GJ. This is not good sign. If you're closing below this area, then I'm going to close it. Yeah, it's a little bit nervous, I'm not going to lie. The thing is, we could go to this M5 version, but I don't know. Especially, it's strange because we have this daily inverse fair value gap, which should uh, which should work as a resistance. It's very strange. So this was the M5 that M5 bearish order block. But yeah. So I was risking more or less 2% of this trade. Let's see if we get a W. I needed to attack aggressively, get down. But it looks like it will just pass right through. This daily inverse fair value gap hasn't worked that nice yet. We still have 7 minutes for it to close. We haven't closed above yet on M15. But I need price to just dump from here. That's what I need. Yeah, let's see if we can attack some lows now. And I need price to just explode down. Aggressively, I prefer. So what we're seeing is hopefully New York continuing what uh, what London did, right? So London pushed down, we're pushing up, then New York are continuing the trend. Here below we have some liquidity, sell liquidity, which I'm targeting. Once price has taken out some lows, I would probably what's happening? This is really testing the mind. Just go down, GU. Just go down, GU. Honestly, the spreads on Cortana is shite. How can you have Pro Euro USD have 5 spread, GU have 7 spreads? How is this possible? And only on that you have 120 on commission. Just entering at 20 lots. If you compare it to FTMO, you have like the half, 60 for the same amount. So Cortana needs to step up their game. And I need to understand what's happening here. How can you push? Damn. Can we for once see some real move? Listen, I have no interest in this. This is last time honestly I'm trading GU because GU has it's not doing anything that is showing me any kind of. First of all, my entry was not good. I needed to have a better entry so I could move my entry to break even, move my stop loss to break even, but that's not. I have no idea what's happening. But the fact that M15 has been respecting this zone should still be a good reason. For price to get down, right? Higher time frame. We just broke below. But there's nothing. Honestly, I don't like how this M30 candle is forming. I don't like it at all. Okay. Honestly, GU has been for real shit. If you're looking at higher time frame, it has just been consolidating, and consolidating for this last. Honestly, look at this. It's not easy to trade this kind of. That is why it's maybe better to just keep it. Yeah. To leave it, honestly. I don't like this at all. I don't like this at all. But yeah, if price is even coming remotely close, I have psychological stop loss. But yeah, more. This is still the last trade that I'm going to take on GU for a while, because until it shows me the real move, the real hand, it's no idea keep taking trades on this pair for now, because it's like I showed you, it's just been going up and down. But yeah. I'm looking at some. So now I'm currently looking at just the M1 time frame. I want to see what's happening. So price made a high, hopefully, of the swing at around 850, and tapped into this area. I have no idea why it's going so slow. I have no idea. this a price wants to do? I have no idea. Yeah. So we made the high around 8:45, 8:50. I think I said. Can we just blow through, blow through? Can we just blow through? Man, this one is testing the mindset for real. Because it's always like that. Once you enter, price is going very slow. But when you're looking from the sideways, everything moves fast. It leaves you. Always like that. Why is there no volume? Are there news today? I don't think it's no news. So we should have volume at this moment. But why ain't price doing anything? Can someone tell me what's happening to this market? Gee, there's too much strange things that happens. There's no bearishness right now. I wonder why. Nah, I don't like this. I don't like it at all. We need to have some kind of closure below. Or I will definitely close my trade. If we're not closing below this week at this, this one, then I'm closing. Yeah, price needs to keep melting. is a very good sign, because now you could either like re-enter. Why? Because we saw this bullish PD array at a discount didn't work. We closed below. We will now probably use it as some kind of resistance and then continue to go down. So I want to, yeah. I want to take a short, another short here, but I won't be greedy. I won't be greedy. Once you see price has been forming a bullish CB, you want price, and if you have a bearish setup and you see price violate this one, then you can just re-enter here. Yeah. don't like this at all. Let's see if we can get some. Yeah. Okay, now we should get a drop. From this level we should get a drop. Alright. We should get a drop from here. Let's see. Stop loss. My mental stop loss is above this high. No question about it. What is happening? I have no idea. I can't understand honestly what's happening. If price wants to, price wants to, nah, there's nothing that's honestly there's nothing behind this that is. It's very strange, very strange. Whatever happens, if I win or lose, I won't trade. I won't trade GU more. It's just gambling at this point. It's just gambling. What is this price action? Can someone tell me what's this price action on GU? Because I have no idea. What is happening? Very ugly price action. Very ugly. And whatever happens, if I win or lose this trade, I won't trade any more GU because it's just gambling. From this point, price can do whatever. If it wants to go up, it can go up. If it wants to go down, it can go down. But I won't be a part of it at this case, at this moment. The thing is, I want to put it in break even, but I have this feeling that once I put it in break even, it will go down all the way. So that's, if I would have taken a better entry more above here, and if price were to get up there, I would no issues with putting it in break even. But how price is moving at this moment, maybe it's better, because I don't like this at all. So yeah. So I have my mental stop loss around this area. Nothing strange about it. But it's very strange how price keeps So let's see if price takes us out or not. I have stop loss above this high. And yeah, price is very strange at this moment. Very, very strange. It's not even funny how strange GU is performing at this moment. This high should be protected since we did some kind of market structure shift here. Took out this swing low. But I guess not. Yeah, it's very close to my stop loss now. Yeah, this is one of the most. This is the one of the strangest setups in a while, honestly.